Today I want to share with you an app idea goldmine that I stumbled across while trying to come up with a project for my upcoming course. And it's super common that everybody struggles to come up with ideas for apps, not just App Store apps, but even like small portfolio projects that you want to kind of showcase your work. This is going to help you out immensely. As most of you may know, most of iOS development is, hitting an API, getting back some JSON, parsing that JSON, and displaying that data beautifully, right? That's kind of iOS development in a nutshell. Well, here we have a GitHub repo called Public APIs that's going to help you out with that insanely, right? It's just a list of probably 400 to 500. Like I started counting them, honestly, and you can see all the index here of all the types here. I got to the cryptocurrency section and I was already over 100, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stop counting. And you can see all these other categories here. So there's hundreds of free APIs that you can look at, and they can spawn all these ideas of what you can do. Let's just go to the animal section first off, right? Random cat pictures, random dog pictures, right? Again, this will give you practice hitting an API, parsing the JSON, displaying the data beautifully. And you can come up with your own API. Like for example, random dog, random fox, you can do like a Tinder card swiping thing on dogs and cats. Again, this is not necessarily app ideas for you to go out and make millions of dollars on, but I know many of you out there are trying to build a portfolio to showcase your work to either get that first job or get some contracting jobs. And the other thing I like about this is it shows you the type of authorization, because this is a big thing, right? You can have no authorization where you just hit the API and you get it back. You can require an API key. That's a pretty common one. Or you can get experience with OAuth. So OAuth is where you would use your pet finder credentials to sign in so you can get access to your account-specific data. So that's what OAuth is. So if you don't have experience with that, there's a lot of APIs on here that you can get that experience. So again, just some ideas. Like I said, you can do the Tinder card random dog picture. Here, we'll scroll down to the cryptocurrency section. You could do a Bitcoin tracker, and this could also give you an opportunity to showcase how you can build charts, right? Because you can track the price over time, show that on a chart. There you go. There's your experience, your portfolio piece on working with charts. And that's the kind of stuff I'm talking about. You can literally just scroll down this list. I'm going to try to hurry up and get to the game section because that's what I want to get to. But you can just literally scroll through this list, look at the JSON you're going to get back. I'll show you how you can preview that once we get to the game section here. But you can just scroll through this list. It's so long and you can get so many ideas. For example, here's the Amiibo API. If you don't know what Amiibos are, it's for the Nintendo Switch. But you can click on this, and let me make this bigger so everybody can see it here. And you can even try it. So you can see all the Amiibos named Mario. You can look at the JSON you're getting back. You can see you're going to get an image, the name, the series, character, all that stuff. So you can kind of get an idea of how you can display the data, because most of these you're going to be able to get a preview of what the JSON actually looks like. And like I said, I could spend all day here, and I'm sure you may, scrolling through all these. But, the Marvel is another good one, the Marvel Comics. This is a pretty, serious API here. Interactive documentation. You can look at all the endpoints here, making this bigger for you. So you can look at the characters. This fetches a list of characters. And you see all the stuff that you're going to get here. So great stuff. Again, the ideas could potentially be endless. Let's get back to the thing here. It's literally, I'm scrolling through it real fast now. It's just hundreds of this. So if you're struggling for an app idea, whether it's for an app that you can actually make to put on the App Store, or if you just want to start building small portfolio projects that can showcase all the different aspects of iOS development, again, like a card swiping UI, charts, maybe like a calendar type thing. Like you can do all these little projects, and here's some APIs that you can use for that. So if you want to look at, the Twitch API and see what kind of app you can make using Twitch data, like that's all it is. So anyway, hope you get some use out of this. Link will be in the description. I think it's an absolute gold mine for app ideas. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.